Let's have another big round of applause for our birthday kid. Happy birthday, Tyler. Happy birthday, Laura. Thank you for having your birthday party with us this evening here at Dodge Stadium. Enjoy the game and have a great birthday night. In the Nestle Drumstick Birthday Cone Zone, all kids celebrating their birthday will receive a special item, free drumstick ice cream cone for your family's chance to celebrate. In the Nestle Drumstick Birthday Cone Zone, please stop by the 3 Destiny Product Information booth or visit ckfenders.com. Nestle Drumstick is a